So I've actually been working on this Familymaid hardware 25mm quality tools padlock, longshackle, home office travel, suitable for indoor-outdoor use, suitable for residential or commercial use. Padlocks can be used for lockers, gates, fences, sheds, suitcases, and much more. Anyway, it's a Familymaid brand. Looks like they just kind of sprayed a gold paint on it. Had kind of a hard time just getting any tools in it. I do get it open every once in a while. I've kind of gone to the Sparrow's top of the keyway tension, and just a kind of a very shallow type hook from them. Very small hook. Here we go. I kind of try not to lose my tension wrench out of this lock. Lost it again. Here we go. All right, so I did not get it. I got it. Yeah, it's just really small keyway. Anytime I put like a tension wrench in the bottom, I couldn't even get at the pins. I mean, I just get stuck kind of pushing this against the pins. You can see the pins. Anyway, it's kind of a ghetto lock anyway. But I just wanted to get it on film. I do and can get it open. I don't know if you'd really want to lock your gate or your fences or sheds or suitcases up with it, but anyway, thanks for watching.